Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE Official Guide 2025 is the 4th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Today is our lesson number 17, day number 17, and we are on page number 201. Let's look at the very first problem that appears, problem number 1 on that page. So we are given a data set here. It's for the sales at 5 different stores. Stores P, Q, R, S, and T. We are told that from 2006 to 2007 the sales were up 10%. 2007 to 2008 the sales went down by 10%. Here it was negative 20% for Q, 9%, 5, 12, negative 7, negative 15, 17, and negative 8. Here's the question. It says the dollar amount of sales at store P in 2016, we are told, was $800,000. The question simply is, what was the dollar amount of sales at the same store, store P, in 2008? Pause the video, do it yourself. When you have the answer, we'll begin and work on it together. I'll give you a second to be able to pause and unpause the video. Let's take a look at it. You see here the classic sucker answer is that most people are going to sit there and say, well, it went up by 10%, then it went down by 10%. Of course, nothing has changed. Of course, we know better. A lot has changed. For example, if you start out with $100 and it goes up by 50%, it becomes $150. And the next period, it goes down by 50%. It goes up by 50%. Then it goes down by 50%. We know just because we went up by 50% and then we went down by 50% doesn't mean we're going to end up at the same figure as here, because now the base has changed. When it goes down by 50%, it goes down by only 75. So it becomes 75. We do not get back at the same figure, obviously. Let's take a look at the problem. So again, let's start with 100. If you start with 100, let's pretend that the sales here were $100 at store P, right, this period, in 2006. Instead of 800,000, don't worry about 800,000, pretend that the sales were $100 in 2006 at store P. In 2007, it will be 110, because it went up by 10%. The following period, from 2007 to 2008, it went down by 10%. When it goes down by 10%, we have to take 10% of this amount. 10% of this amount is 11. So we have 110 minus 11 minus 10%. We are at 99. So the answer to this question is, what was the sales figure at store P in 2008? Answer is, it is 99% of 800,000. 99% of 800 is simply 800 minus 8, which is going to give us $792,000. You just subtract 1%. 800 minus 8 is going to give us 99% of 800. That was it. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.